Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode and the volume buttons are here, so let me try to use them to see how it works now with cooperation with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on this, I can easily take a picture. So to change its function, we have to move to more advanced options. Let's go to the left to this button. When we pick this, we can open the advanced camera settings. From here, let's slide a little bit down to the useful features, and here we have to pick the shooting methods. When we tap on this, we get access to more settings about the shooting. At the first position here we have press volume key to option, so when we pick this, we can decide if we want to use our volume keys here to take picture or record video, which was now zoom or control the system volume. So for now let me pick zoom to show you how it works different, and let's go back to the camera. Here we are, now let me try to use these buttons once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject, so I can zoom and also go back by using these buttons now. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.